Reddit affiliate marketing. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on Reddit. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So first, what we need to do is we need to find a product to promote. So to find a product, you can use many different sites such as ClickBank or JVZoo, but for the sake of this video I'm just simply going to use JVZoo, or you can use other platforms such as ClickBank, but I think that ClickBank is much more saturated because a lot of people use it, and there aren't many products that people promote. A couple of handful of products that people keep promoting. If you can find a product that you think is unique and you can promote that product, then you can use whichever platform that you like. Right now I'm going to use JVZoo. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just simply sign up and log in and find a product to promote. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, so once you have logged in onto or signed up onto JVZoo, this is how it's going to look like. And over here you are going to be finding different products. So you can find whichever product that you like, whichever product that you want to promote, that you think people are interested in, and that you think that product can be easily promoted. So to promote a product, all you have to do is request an approval from the creator of the product, and once they have approved your request, you can go ahead and promote that product. So let's just go over to Reddit. So once you have found your product, you are going to come over to Reddit and just simply sign up. So the sign up process is really simple. Click on the sign up button over here, and over here you can go ahead and continue with Google, or you can enter in your email address. However you like, it's really simple and it's really easy. I would recommend continuing with Google because it's quite easy and it saves quite a lot of time, and all you have to do is just simply click a button and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So once you have signed up onto Reddit or logged into Reddit, this is how it is going to look like. Over here it is going to be your feed, and over here you're going to be shown all the different types of posts from different types of subreddits that you follow, and it's pretty simple. So over here at the top you have your category, you have your filter with which you can filter your posts, such as best, hot, new, or top of the day, month, or year, or even a week, or even all time. So what we basically are here to do is we need to promote a product. So let's just assume that your product is within fitness or health niche, because those are the types of product that really are popping right now. So you have fitness, you have health, you have money and wealth and stuff like that. So these are the types of product that can easily be promoted anywhere. So what we need to do is we need to find a subreddit that is related to these types of products. So let's just go over here at the top right here at the search bar. Let's just search for fitness. So when we search for fitness, as you can see, these are the types of subreddit over here. So as you can see, we have fitness over here, and it has over 8 million followers. So what we need to do is we need to click on this subreddit. And over here, as you can see, these are some of the new posts and questions that people have been asking over here on this subreddit. And what you can basically do is you have to engage within a certain subreddit. So what I basically mean is that it is important for us to engage. So why should we engage? Well, it's simple. We need karma points to create a subreddit or create a post. So as you can see over here, once we click on it over here, as you can see, I have 0 karma right now. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just simply come over here, and you can, as you can see over here, daily question thread. So once we click on it, over here are going to be simple questions and answers, and down below, if we scroll down below, we can see some of the people answering and asking questions. What we can do is we can simply answer these questions, meaning engage with these audiences. What that will help us to grow our karma. So as you can see, my karma is right now 48. I answered a couple of questions before, so my karma jumped up to 48. It's, as you can see, it's pretty simple. So you basically need at least 100 karma or at least 500 karma. I think different subreddits have different categories and different numbers of karma, so it fluctuates quite a lot. So simply engage with them, ask questions, answer questions, and if you find a question that you don't have the answer to, what you can do is just simply Google it. Like, go over to Google and ask that question, and you'll find some good answers, and you can come back over here and you can answer that question, and you can tell them that I got this information from this source, so it's reliable and stuff like that. So they think that you aren't lying or basically farming for karma. You are genuinely helping them. That will help you to get an audience and get a karma rating. So it's pretty simple. So once you have quite a lot of karma, what you can do is just simply create your own subreddit. And once you have created your own subreddit, what you will have to do is you will have to find the product that you want to promote. Just simply promote that link over onto your subreddit, and you can promote different products within that certain category, so that your followers can use that link, and you can get a certain amount of money generated for you. And you can also promote products over here in these threads as well, but I would not recommend it because that would be called spamming. So it's very important. Like, Reddit is really strict, so make sure not to spam your link, otherwise you're going to get banned and all your hard work is going to be for nothing. So over here, as you can see, we can just create a simple post. So to create a post, like, let's just assume that we are trying to promote a product. So let's just go ahead and click on create a post. And over here, as you can see, we are creating a post in r/fitness. So what we have to do is we have to enter in the title and the text required. And then down below, we can add different filters to mark that certain product. And what we can do next is, once we have added these types, so once we have added the description and title, we can add the image or video of the product that you are trying to promote, and then you can add in the link of the product, and then you have the option of adding a poll, but I wouldn't recommend that. You have to do these three things, and then all you have to do is just simply post. And once you have posted, that is basically it. Be sure to have a good karma rating so that people trust you more. So, and the same thing that we can do on different subreddits. So let's just go back over here. Let's go back and let's just simply search for wealth. So as you can see over here, wealth simple trade, wealth simple penny, wealth front, like these are different subreddits that are dedicated to wealth, and we can promote different products over here as well. Like, it's really simple. Like, the market on Reddit is really big, and you can make quite a lot of money, but you have to do quite a lot of work. Like, you have to build a karma, you have to build a community, and then once you have built that trust and bond with your community, then you can basically start promoting different products. So it's pretty simple. It's really easy. Like, it's really simple. Like, and we can also, like, if we want all the subreddits that are related to fitness, like, what we can do is we can search for fitness. And once we have searched for it, over here we have best result, then we have posts, and then we have communities. So what we can do is click on communities and users. So over here, we will have different communities based on fitness as well. So what we can do next is we can join all of these different communities, and we can promote our product in these communities as well. We can engage in these communities, ask questions, answer questions, solve problems, engage in different communities, so that we can build up quite a lot of karma, and then we can, start promoting our products. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.